Good morning. I'm camped just a couple miles away from Hart's Pass. Saw this really beautiful spot. I had service and I needed to message my mom and my good friend Carl and make sure everything was cool with them. And then I just figured, you know what? This spot's beautiful. I'm gonna stay. So I did. I didn't go as far as I wanted yesterday, but I did stop and talk with my friends, Yukon and Crush and Songbird and Retune. And that's so much fun just chatting and laughing with them. But I still wanted to get a couple more miles in, so I went. I'll see them again today, no worries. I think I'm actually just gonna kind of play it cool today and enjoy myself. Get to the border or really close to it. We'll see. Hello, sunrise. I talked to Carl. Everything's okay. And Melba. I love you guys. I was real worried. Sunshine. Hey girl, she's amazing. Got to see her on her victory lap. Where'd you go? Hey Taco, congrats to you too, girl. This is Rock Pass. Beautiful, right? Yeah. I was just telling Retune that we're gonna take all these switchbacks down and then we have to go right back up in between those two little mountains and that little saddle up ahead of us to the right. Holy moly. The last couple climbs have not been easy. I'm pretty sure I'm like super red in the face. Oh, snackerdoodle. There's the fire they were talking about. That is very close. Okay. Maybe I will be doing a massive day. In and out. Lord, it's already 36 or something to the monument. Okay. Let's go. It's been pretty cool seeing all these other hikers finishing up. And everybody's just excited for each other. And now it's really hot. North Cascades and Wildfire. Twins making trail treats. Dragon's blood snow cone. He says the miscolored snow is from the coffee he had in his cup. I don't know if I believe this. 0.5 from the top of the last climb before we hit the border. At 27 miles for the day. Right now. And then I think it's 8 more to the border. Woo. Little storm coming in. No big deal. Seems about right? You want to be in my video, Wheels? There's the one and only Wheels. She's amazing. Woo, we're walking into the storm like true badasses. Ooh, it is 5:45, I think. I'm only like 3.5 from the border. Whoa. And there she is. The monument. Do. Made it. She is. I was excited to finish the trail. I felt good about how I had moved through it, but I just didn't quite feel like I was really done. I don't know. I needed an emotional release and I didn't have it. So I hiked out, then I turned around and came back, stayed the night at the monument, welcomed a bunch of my other friends to the monument when they finished up, And yeah, I got that sense of completion that I was looking for. Not that I'm done adventuring. I've got a whole other thing in plans.
I feel like I should. My torn out like rain pants. Why? Yeah. That's legitimate.
Basically stayed there until almost noon the next day and then took that victory lap out.